I'm Dr. Bhagwan, Vice Chancellor, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, Bangalore. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences is one of the biggest universities in the globe with more than 1,500 students, 1,500 institutions, more than 3 lakh students and 40,000 teachers. And we are very, very successful academically, implementing the best curriculum, conducting examinations and giving degree certificates which are valid throughout the world. We are very popular and other universities follow our policies and guidelines for the students and teachers. We thought we should come out of this academia and reach out to public, reach out to our own students and our own teachers and the society. Today our country is facing a big menace, a danger, a threat that's called drug abuse. It's killing our students. It's engulfing more than 30 to 40% of our students in this country and in the state. And every year this drug abuse is increasing. If you look at the statistics, in the last 2 to 3 years, it has risen by 61%. Drug hounds are being busted, peddlers are being caught, but that's not our aim. Our aim and objective is to educate our own students about keeping themselves away from drugs and saying no to drugs. We have to protect our children, our families and our society because they are the future builders of our nation. So to protect them, we have taken this cause. In every district we are conducting walkathon. We are inviting the people representative in the form of district minister, honorable members of parliament, honorable members of legislative assembly and council, and also speakers, the district commissioners, superintendent of police, CEOs, DHO, all are participating in this program. And Narcotic Bureau of Karnataka and Disha Bodh Foundation have signed MOU with us and they have taken it very seriously. In the future, even border security force, army people want to join this Abhiyana because the drug menace is really troubling our youths and youngsters. So, and the national government, the state government have taken it as a policy matter, as a war footing. We are going against this and educating our students. So far about 50,000 students under our university have walked in this walkathon in 8 districts. This is the 9th district that we are targeting, and today you saw very actively about 4,000 to 5,000 students participated. They listened to us and they also walked with us. So they have also done street play and skit educating. Coorg, so many associations, public associations also gave sath to us and they participated with us for this program. Thanks to Coorg Institute of Medical Sciences, Dental College, Nursing College, the Ayurvedic colleges, Allied Sciences, all the institutions under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, with the leadership of Mohan Nappaji, Dr. Lokesh, Rajaram, Leeladhar and Iftikhar Ahmad, DHO, MS, all those people have joined hands in this. So, and also even the school children, this Abhiyana should start at the school level. You know, we have to educate them. Even they walked with us enthusiastically, understanding the importance of this program. We are thankful to them. So, District Commissioner today has banned liquor in the radius of 10 kilometers, which is a historical decision. For the first time in any district probably, for this drug abuse day and for our program, liquor has been banned in this district. I hope in every district the same cause is taken up and same implementation is done through the authorities. We are thankful to the authorities of Madkeri for giving us all this platform to conduct this program. Thank you very much. Our Rajiv Gandhi University Senate, syndicate members, academic council members, all of them with the authorities, registrar evaluation and the finance officer were also here participating in this program, and this has been a very successful one. Thank you very much.
ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನ ಮುಡುಕ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ ನೋಡ
First of all, I would like to thank all the members here, Rajiv Gandhi University, in collaboration with Disha Bodh Foundation. I am from Narcotics Control Bureau on the behalf of my zonal director, and this foundation has done some great awareness programs. This is the second time I am joining them. They have done it in multiple districts like walkathon and other awareness programs, and we have signed MOUs to make drug-free campuses all across the state of Karnataka, and in that we will help the universities to achieve this target, and in any way we could help. There is Manas helpline number 1933. Anyone find any kind of drug abuse, any kind of drug related matters, if anyone is caught up in the drug menace, then they may come to us, they may report to us, and they should not get scared of it while reporting, because their identity will be kept confidential with us and they will be helped as much as possible. So thank you.
My name is Ajay Shetty. I am here on behalf of Disha Bhumi Foundation. Today, our youth are facing a serious problem of substance abuse, majorly related to drugs. There is an organized effort to push drugs among our youth and spoil their future. As such, we need a very organized effort to combat this issue. Hence, we at Disha Bhumi Foundation have joined hands with various organizations to address this issue. We are very thankful to Rajiv Gandhi Health University, the NCB, the product administration, and all the members of the government of Karnataka who have joined here. It's very heartening to see students come out in such large numbers. It reassures our faith that the future of the Bharat is safe in their hands. We not only work with agencies and organizations and officials to enforce the law, we have run prevention programs, create awareness and work on building character. We are sure that once all the steps are taken, it will address the drug issue at large. Also today, we have made an effort to increase awareness about organ donation. A little about this. This can transform lives, so many of them. Even after your death, you could live through so many persons. It's a final act of service that we could do to our country. And we had a beautiful walkathon, students gathered in such large numbers and walked. So all this awareness has been put into action, and I'm sure in the coming days we'll have many programs and we'll reach out to more and more people. Let us all join our hands together for the future and the security of the Bharat. Only when the youth and institutions are strengthened, Bharat's future will be secured. Jai Hind.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕೋಯಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋಯಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವರು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ನೋಡಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕೋಯಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಪತ್ನಿ ಅನಸ್ಥೆಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅವರು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಒಂದು ನಶಾಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತ್, ಎರಡನೇದು ಅಂಗಾಂಗ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, NGOs ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋಯಿನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಕೋಯಿನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅದ ಅಡಿಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮೈದಾನದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಂಡಿತು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 4,000 ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್, ವೇರಿಯಸ್ NGOs ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 4,000 ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೇರಿದ್ವಿ. ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 2-2.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡಗು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಸಂಘ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅಥವಾ 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಧನಂಜಯ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತು ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Spoke. So this walkathon was mainly to campaign and create awareness on organ donation as well as Nasha Mukt Bharat. So this was displayed throughout the walkathon by having placards, then so audio clips which tells about creating awareness on Nasha Mukt Bharat and organ donation in local language, followed by having street plays to create awareness to the public as well as students whoever participated in this program. We are so happy that this program was attended by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Bhagwan, as well as our Member of Legislative Assembly Dr. Mantar Gowda and other dignitaries. I feel like this is a huge success because as our district coordinator said, like around 3,000 to 4,000 people attended. It went on very well. We are so happy. The main purpose is to promote organ donation and remove the myths associated with organ donation and create awareness and get the people.
To create awareness on Nasha Mukti Bharat and organ donation, on 7th of February, Saturday 2026, Kodagu Institute of Medical Sciences in association with the district administration conducted awareness program which was held at the Gandhi Maidan in Madikeri. There dignitaries such as the Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and the MLA of Kodagu, Dr. Mantar Gowda, were the chief dignitaries who attended the program and addressed the program. And around 7:30 AM, a walkathon started from Gandhi Maidan, which included almost 3,000 participants from all over Madikeri, including medical students from Kodagu Institute of Sciences, nursing students, as well as dental science students from Kurg Institute of Dental Sciences. So it was almost a 2-kilometer walkathon till here in Mans Compound, which is an open ground in Madikeri.
So the whole program was to create awareness about organ donation and to keep society free of drugs and drug abuse. So we would like all of you to pledge for organ donation so we could save lives. So like Sir said, our Vice Chancellor Dr. Bhagwan, he said that one person could save 8 lives through pledging for organ donation. The brain dead patients who will get in the hospital, those who pledge for organ donation, their organs will be donated to the required patients, so they could have a healthy life future. So we had street plays depicting the same. So I ask all of you to pledge for organ donation and to pledge for a society free of drugs. Thank you. We would share the QR code for organ donation and for pledging for free society of drugs at the end of the video. Please do pledge for the same.